This is a 2003 to 2005 Cadillac Escalade. 2006 would have just LEDs instead of the panel here, the green displayed panel. Put new LEDs in there, the button cell ones, because they shoot straight up with the lights, which makes it, if you look, it looks kind of blue. Solder resistors to make that brighter. And you turn this on and off. Make sure the gauges go to 0. Depends how you look at it. If you want, you get a little poster tool, pop them in and out. If you want to get it adjusted to your likes. And that is it. Really nice. This is be out of a platinum because of the chrome trim. The non-platinums would have gray around there. There's the part number off the back.